This is Mr. J. Today we're talking about cheating at Yonsei University here in Korea. This is our advanced video for the 11th of November 2025. Happy Remembrance Day, or Veterans Day if you're in the US, right? A day dedicated to remembering soldiers, right? And the sacrifices they make for everyone. So hopefully you do know that, right? Anyways, debatable. I mean, cheating is bad, I guess, but doing something about it is definitely debatable. Let's look at our word list before we do anything else. Okay, like I said, November 11th, 2025, Tuesday. Okay, and centered on South Korea, but I mean, this impacts everyone, I think. All right, hearing, cheating, prestigious, forum, implications, requirements, admitted, investigation, incident, and awareness. Awareness, those are our words. Yonsei University, very famous here in South Korea, is planning a major public hearing on artificial intelligence ethics after a large-scale cheating scandal involving AI tools like ChatGPT. The Seoul-based institution, one of South Korea's most prestigious universities, said its Institute for AI and Social Innovation will lead the forum, which will include both students and staff. So having a forum is good news, or debatable news, right? The cheating itself is bad. The event will explore the implications of AI in education, especially as online classes and exams become more common. The scandal occurred during a midterm exam for a natural language processing course, NLP, right? On October 15th, when dozens of students allegedly used AI to bypass exam monitoring requirements by adjusting their cameras and screens. Around 40 students have already admitted to misconduct, while others remain under investigation. That's interesting. All right, the university sees the incident as a chance to promote deeper awareness of academic ethics and how AI should be responsibly used in future education. That's important to know, right? But cheating, Yonsei, wow. All right, what is Yonsei University planning to hold after the cheating scandal? Which AI tool was reportedly used by students during the exam? What subject was the midterm exam? For how many students did allegedly avoid How many students allegedly avoid detection during the exam? And what is the university's main goal in holding the forum? Wow. I know this is happening in lots of places around the world. All right, today's word, Lily. All right, we're talking about the girl, not the boy, right? Because we're doing what? Yeah, we're doing girls' names, right? And then here's another Lily. Maybe you've seen this before. Lily, we've talked about this before. I know that. Lily, a popular female name from the flower named lily, symbolizing purity, innocence, and beauty. So here it was the flower name probably before, right? The lily is a type of tall flower with large, beautiful petals, often white or pink. Lily, okay? Here we have the pronunciation. There's two syllables with emphasis on the first syllable. Emphasis on the first. Lil, E. Lily. Lily. Be careful. It's not E. It's not Lily. Don't say Lily, right? Lee, you don't want to say Lily, it's Lily, the right short I sound. It's a bit different than the EE. All right, Lily helped her younger brother with his homework after school, and the white lily in the garden bloomed beautifully this morning. Okay. Weather for tomorrow, Wednesday, November 12th, 2025. Seoul, South Korea has a high of 18, a low of 6. It will be sunny and mild. Some historical facts there. Mumbai, India, high of 32, a low of 21, hot and sunny. In Mexico City, Mexico, a high of 23, a low of 6. It will be mild with partly sunny skies. Once again, interesting historical facts for November 12th. Guys, I hope you have a good one. And I hope you do remember soldiers today, right? It's important to remember. And I'll see all of you again next time. Bye-bye.